Hello kids, how are you today? Are you ready to review these excellent box toys of Avengers 2? Look at them, 5 great characters in just one box. Do you want to unbox them? Here we got Captain America, Ultron, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Loki. Great characters of Avengers 2. Let's have a closer look to Captain America. Here you have it. You can take his shield off. You can throw it away if you like, without hurting anybody, please. Then you can put it again there. Look at this. Captain America. Great ending, man. Who is this? Ultron. He's made of steel. Great movements for this excellent toy. Outstanding. He comes with his gun. He can grab it with his hand. Actually, he comes with 2 guns. Great. Ultron. Made of steel. And who is here? The number 1, Spider-Man. Look at this great toy. You can play around with this excellent Spider-Man Avengers 2 box of great toys. And who is here? Iron Man. Look at Iron Man. Look at this great ending for this excellent toy. Great movements. Realistic movements. Very, very good. Iron Man. And last but not least, Loki. Great ending too. Look at this great toy. Excellent character. You can take off the helmet. He can grab it with his hand. Look at this. Amazing standing. Loki, Avengers 2. This is a great toy, great box, great opportunity. 5 characters in just one box. Captain America, Ultron, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Loki. Let's have a look at the box again. Spider-Man, Ultron. And this is the great box with 5 characters. Go and fetch them. See you next time.
Hi kids, like this video? Subscribe on more videos.